Yo everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be making an obby inside Roblox Studio. Now before we start, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Also, if you found this tutorial really helpful, leave a comment below. Now let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make a platform, your first point for your obby, which is not going to be this, of course. I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to go ahead and add a part right here. I'm going to press F to do it. Oops. My bad. Hold on. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. As you can see, I can go ahead and zoom. Not zoom. Resize the object. There you go. That looks nice. And I'm going to make this yellow. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make my obby. I'll just duplicate this part and I'll go ahead and just resize this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change this color, reddish brown, and then brown. There, this one. First one, I'm gonna copy this. This is stage 1. It's gonna be stage 2, and now I'm gonna go ahead and make my second obby. So I'm gonna go ahead and resize this and put it on here and resize it a bit, and I'm gonna make this white, resize, and I'm gonna make sure it looks good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this block again, and this time make it shorter because I am going to be a bit longer, and this one's gonna be red. I'll make this one green, and this one is going to be blue. Now these are too close to each other, so I'm going to resize them. And much better. Now I can go ahead and just duplicate this here. There, we already got a good looking obby right here. Now I want to go ahead and just select 2 of each part of this obby. So I can make them like I can make one can't collide balls, and I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this, and then maybe here, and then right here. All these parts right here, it's going to be disabled. The can't collide is going to be disabled, so you'll fall off when you touch these. Alright. Now I finished that stage, and I'm going to make the final stage. Right here. Stage, I think I should make this. Okay. Not going to be easy. I'm going to make this purple. Right, and then I'm going to make this one white. I'll make this one purple right here. And then I'm going to be making the last stage right here. Now, all I need to do is anchor this, and we can go ahead and test it out. Oh, my bad. I have to add a spawn point first. Station. Small. That looks good. Sure. Alright, there you go. Now we can go ahead and test our off. Right here, look at the blocks. Alright, we're doing fine. So we'll go right here and say, oh, shoot, that's the wrong one. So, right? And there. That's just like a part of the obvious stuff, right? And I think I want to add one more parkour here. I'm going to go ahead. It's long. And then I'm going to be making these kill blocks. And I'm going to organize this by adding a folder. And I'll call this kill blocks. There. I'll drag this in here. I'm going to make this really red. And there you go. And I'm going to make sure I anchor these. They're anchored. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add these spawn points, duplicate them, and put them on each chip. There. here and here. Alright, so there you go. Now if we go to play, you can spawn here, right? But here's the problem. We don't want to spawn here. We don't want to spawn to any random part. We want to spawn into the stage, right? In the point we were already on. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to go ahead and add a folder workspace. You're going to name this checkpoints. We're going to drag all these checkpoints, right? We're going to put them in the folder. Don't worry, it won't change the location, right? We're going to name them. I'm going to name this one, the first one. I'm going to call this stage space 1. And I'm going to just copy this name and I'll paste in here, but change this to stage 2. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead and add a script in service. So we're gonna have a script, and here's what we're going to do. We're gonna type in this local checkpoints equals game.workspace.checkpoints, which is a folder, get children. What this is a variable that will get all the instances or children inside the folder checkpoints. And so now we're going to do this. We're going to type this now. Stay with me here. For I, comma, checkpoint, not checkpoints. These two aren't the same. In payers, checkpoints, and then the folder checkpoint. Do. Alright, so I'll explain this briefly. So basically, when we do for I checkpoint in payer checkpoint, we're basically defining each instance of the children inside the checkpoints folder, and this is the amount of instances inside that folder. As you can see, we did pair checkpoints, which is the children inside here. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to type in checkpoint dot team color, exactly spelled like this because it's case sensitive, equals game.teams find first child checkpoint dot name, not checkpoint, just checkpoint dot name. Alright, dot team color, exactly spelled the same way over here. Alright, so now you're thinking, why am I going to search for the name of the instance and not the actual instance? We are searching for the actual instance. We're actually going to find the name of the corresponding instance of the checkpoint's name. And we can change that checkpoint's team color to this team color. Now, this doesn't mean the spawn colors is going to turn to that. This will turn. Oops, my bad. We're going to type in checkpoint dot brick color, exactly spelled like this, right? Equals game.teams find first child checkpoint dot name dot team color. Okay, team color, not brick color, team color. So the brick color you can turn to the actual color. You won't see it right here, but you will see it in the game. Now, there's one thing I've noticed about the copy. It looks fine, right? But it doesn't look the best. So I know a way that you can do that. You can go ahead and get a part, right? You can go ahead and add something called a selection box. Now you won't see it here, but once you select it, right? No pun intended. And see something called Adorne, click the empty space. Click over here, explore, and click on the part you want it to be selected like this. And there you go. Now it's again, oh, that looks sloppy. That looks disgusting. And now if we make it black, as you can see, it actually looks nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this easier. I'm going to go ahead and instead of like just doing this all over like this, I'm going to go ahead and try this local script. Actually, no, not local script. We're going to do a script. Now, script.parent.adorne equals script.parent.parent. So there you go. I'll make this Adorne the parent here. So I'll go ahead and just copy this, duplicate this in every single part. Alright, so I put the selection box in each and every one of these parts, including the checkpoints. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on these kill blocks, and I'm going to go ahead and add another script. I'm going to do local kill block equals parent, and basically I'm going to do oh my god, kill block dot touched connect function. Now I'm going to hit. So local humanoid equals hit dot parent colon wait for child, and then humanoid. It's actually spelled like this. It's humanoid. Okay. So if humanoid, then humanoid colon take damage, and then parentheses 100. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just duplicate this to each and every one of the kill blocks. Alright, now we're done. So if we go into the game, right, as you can see, so we have our stage, and as you can see, all these colors are there. And also, I forgot to do one thing. So all these spawn points, you're gonna want to go ahead and select all of them. Check allow team change on touch and disable the neutral. And there's also one you need to do. One important step. Oh shoot! I had to change the team colors of these, not the other ones there. I have to change them here. There. So if I make all these around your screen, I'm gonna go ahead and make this really red. Gotta make sure I don't use really red and anything. I use bright red, not really red. Stage 5. I'll go ahead and use not new yellow, partly green. Now go ahead and click play now. As you can see, we have all of our stages. This is our first stage, and we're gonna go ahead and jump to Obby. Okay. Actually, tab so it works. As you can see, we are now in our second stage. And if we die here, we are still in this second stage. Now we can go ahead and try to do this. Obby. Oh man, I failed. Go ahead and try Obby, and yes, I will skip this. Trying for a little bit, I'll be able to get to stage 3. Now if I die here, stage is right here. So I died in stage. Alright, so if I go ahead and use Obby, right? Okay, there, I made it. Now let's just say I'm on here, right? I die here, right? And now I'm on stage 4, and see, I still spawn on stage 4. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just use Obby. And there, I'm on stage 5. And if I die here, and then I die on stage, and then respawn on stage 5. So there you go. We have successfully made our obby. Now we haven't made it where we can save our checkpoints when we leave the game and come back. So I'll do that in a later video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if this really helped. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day.